Hello, I'm Barbara Laib with Century 21 Affiliated. Today I want to talk about our national real estate market trends as we know them to date in March 2024. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about inflation, home prices, foreclosures, inventory, and current mortgage interest rates and what they're projected to be. Let's start off with inflation. The Feds target a 2% inflation. Right now, our inflation is bouncing around and there's different percentages. So the Fed's not going to drop mortgage interest rates until they see that 2% target inflation rate being consistent. Our unemployment is not spiking, and more economists are predicting that we will not see a recession. In January of 2023, 39% of economists said no recession. In January of 2024, 65% of economists say no recession. This is one with inflation. We're going to have to wait and see what happens this year. Mortgage interest rates. The prediction is we'll see rates in the mid to high fives. It could be 5.5 to 5.99% on a 30-year fixed, but they're predicting that those interest rates might happen mid-year to the end of the year. The economy does play a significant task with our mortgage interest rates. Foreclosures. Many of you have asked me, I'd like to look at foreclosures. Well, active foreclosure inventory is down 2.2% year over year and 25% down levels of pre-pandemic. Foreclosure sales are down by 17% and foreclosure starts are down almost 18%. And what's the reason behind that? Well, if somebody gets into a situation where they might be getting foreclosed on, they can put their home on the market and sell it, and they still have some equity due to home price increases. So they can get out of that situation of a foreclosure. Over the last 5 years, there have been almost 1 million fewer foreclosures and 1.4 or 5 million fewer foreclosures is a lot. So people are, if they get in that situation, they're putting their home on the market and getting out of that. Home appreciation, where's that going? Well, projections from Case-Shiller, CoreLogic, Black Knight, Freddie Mac, FHFA measured home appreciation in 2023 between 5.5% and 6.5%, depending upon where you're living in the country. We are getting into a real estate climate now where it's a healthier home appreciation rate. We're not seeing the 15 to 20% jumps in home appreciation like we did in 2021 and 2022. Lack of inventory is still keeping home appreciation moving upward, but at a slower pace. Forecasters are projecting a 3.2 residential appreciation rate by the end of 2024. Should I buy or should I rent? That might be a question you're thinking about. Keep this in mind. Let's say you purchased a home for $400,000 today. What would it be worth in 5 years? The forecasters predict it could be worth an additional $85,000 in equity. If you were renting, you have nothing that's going to increase in equity. Just keep that in mind. I appreciate you taking the time to listen to me. Feel free to give me a call or text me if you have any questions. And I'm always here to help you, whether you're buying or selling. I'm Barbara Laib with Century 21 Affiliated. Thank you.